The overall purpose of this procedure is to assemble and use a microfluidic high-throughput screening platform for systematic inline studies of the reaction pathways of colloidal semiconductor nanocrystals.
This platform provides researchers with access to a full absorption and emission spectra within a parameter space that was previously inaccessible.
Beyond the extended parameter range, the high sampling rate and low chemical consumption allows many more conditions to be tested at a fraction of the cost compared to flask-based screening.
Further implementation of this system will improve the pace of research and therefore bring us closer to commercial scale production of low-cost, high-efficiency, quantum dot-based photovoltaic cells.
To begin assembling the microfluidic platform, fix a linear translation stage lengthwise on an aluminum optical breadboard. Fix 4 optical post holders on the board around the track and post 2 holders on the stage platform. Connect an optical post to each of the 4 corners of the junction stage. Then place the optical posts into the 4 post holders. Mount. Connect the flow cell to the optical posts on the translation stage platform. Then cut a length of FEP tubing as the reactor line and 3 lengths of ETFE tubing as the precursor feed lines. Fit each line with a flangeless ferrule and nut at one end. Fit the other ends of the precursor lines with gas-tight syringe fittings and flow valves as needed for the syringe configuration to